Hi friends, today we'll discuss how to generate a PDF file in Mule4. So below are the steps we have to approach, and we have to first create the Mule project and create the Java class. So from the input whatever we give, here we are taking some string, so that we'll provide the string details to the Java class, so that it will generate that string into a PDF file. So after that we'll add all the dependencies whatever required for the Java class and Maven dependency also. So let's get started. Let's go to the Mule project. See, I have created the flow. See, here we have the HTTP listener, logger and payload, and here we have the transformation. See, let me open this transformation. See, in the transformation, see, this is our JSON to PDF package, and this is the class name, this is the method, and this is the class. So we have imported the class using this syntax. Java, the class is available under the PDF, and the base folder is com. Okay, this is the class name, and this is the class name, and from the class name we are using this method. So for this method I am going to give two parameters as a input. See, one is string, another one is also string. So in the first section we are going to give location of the where we need to generate the PDF. So I have given the location with file and the extension. So here I have given the statically I have given some data. So I have created this flow. So let me explain the Java class. See, here we are using the PDF class, Java classes. So these imports should be required to create this class. So iText PDF. So this is our class, and this is our method. See, whatever we are providing in the data wave, from this we are calling this method. So it accepting two parameters, right? So the two parameters is nothing but this method. So string file name and string content we are providing. So both are string types. So data given in string format only. So we have document, and these 4-5 lines of code we have to write. This is the class file. So after that we need to add a dependency as well. So this is the dependency com.itext PDF. If you want, you can change this version. You can download this dependency from the this Maven repositories, so that you can give the latest one also. So let me run this one. See, my application is running, so I ran in debug mode. So just move to the next processor. See, now I can see the payload. See, this is the payload, sample PDF generated using Mule with Java. This is the one I have given in the Postman body. So but in the data wave I am not using this body. I have given a static code. Okay, let me move to next processor. So here we have the code, it will generate the PDF. So once move the processor to next one, it will generate. Let me open that location. See, around 88 PM. Now the time is 88, so it generated. Let me delete. Once again I will make a request. Make a request. move the processor. Okay, now go to this folder. See, now it's generated. Let me open this test.pdf. So it contains sample PDF data. So like this way we can generate the PDF using Java class and little bit of data wave script. This is the syntax to generate a to call a method, Java class method. So instead of PDF data, I will give, let me remove this static data, payload, save it, so it will redeploy. See, data is written to file. I have log that details also. So let me make a request once again. See, okay, somewhere it is failing, so we'll fix that one. Okay, let me close this file. So actually we are using this file, right? That's why this issue came. Okay, once again, this is the folder. Let me delete this one. Make another request. So we make the request. See, now we can see the data. This is the scheduler is okay. See, some logger I have printed here. Ignore this one. So the time I am just printing, so don't worry about that. Scheduler is started. I have given text like this. Instead of this, we can give HTTP call is made like that. Time I have given. So the request is processed. Let's go to the folder. See the PDF. Okay, let me, I think we delete this one once again. So I think we need to redeploy the application as we are changed. So let me save once again. I think it's not saved properly. I used keyboard, that's why. Okay, let me make one more request. I think it's not redeployed properly, it seems. So it's not redeployed properly. So I will stop the application and see, I will change here also. Instead of scheduler, I will give HTTP. Flow started instead of that. Okay, let's run the application. So it's taking much time. So here we have pom.xml, we have added the dependency, and in JSON to pdf.java, we have all the dependent imports we have added, and class under the dependent classes, document, file, pdf writer, document.open. This 5 lines of script we have to write. That's it. And here in the data wave, we have this script. We have to call this Java class, this method. So we are passing two arguments. One is path we have to give, file name we have to provide. So I have given the complete path. This is the folder and this is the file under the .pdf, and the payload, this is also string, so I have given a dynamic payload here. So let go here, it is deployed or not. Once it is deployed, we can check once again. See, in the here we are giving sample PDF generated using Mule with Java. From Postman I have given, so this string should be available in PDF. So we'll wait for complete deployment. Yeah, it's deployed, so it's running, up and running. So make a request. See, yes, flow is started, data is returned to file. Go to this folder. See, yes, exactly 8:15 it's created. From Postman we should see the string details. See, sample PDF generated using Mule with Java from Postman. The same we have given in the Postman, right? The same thing has been generated in PDF. Okay, it's working. If you want, we can change. We can make one more call. So what happened is we already opened the application, that's why we opened the PDF file, that's why we got that error. So once again, Postman, second call. Now we won't get, we closed that file, right? That's why. See, 8:17 PM. Now see, now we can see second call from the Postman. So it's working. So like this way, using the Java class, we can able to achieve this PDF generation. If you have any questions, in the comment box you can mention. I will answer your questions. Thank you.